Hey, what's going on? Garrett Berry here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're researching the best passive income opportunity to join in 2020. Maybe you don't want to do a lot of effort and you just like the idea of money coming in while you're hanging out with your loved ones, while you're relaxing on a vacation spot, while you're sleeping. Well, if you're looking for this video is going to be for you because I'm going to break down the exact opportunity that I personally believe after 5 long years online is the easiest and fastest to be able to create income online. Now, this is going to work whether you're brand new or you're seasoned. Now, as you see on the screen right now, you should listen to me because I am generating results. You know, you can see yesterday when I screenshotted that, I had generated over $1,000 in a single day. This day, $550 in this one account, okay? You can see right here, I received a $500 payment. I received another $1,000 payment. So what I want to break down right now is on a whiteboard, how this opportunity that I'm going to share with you works, and then towards the end, how you can plug into it and really create the income you want as fast as possible. Now, the very first thing you want to understand is when you want to make passive income online, the easiest way is to sell a product that pays you high ticket commissions. Now, this is something called affiliate marketing. Maybe you've heard of this before. Basically, the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to create the product. You don't have to do all the trial and error of creating sales pages and funnels and things like that. You can actually find a product that you can become an affiliate with that's already created, that's already selling well, and you can go ahead and promote that. And when someone buys through your own coded link, you get credit and you can make high ticket commissions. Now, I recommend high ticket commissions because if your income goal is, let's say, $10,000 a month, if you're promoting something that pays you, $1,000 per commission, you would only need 10 commissions to hit that income goal, okay? So that's the first step. Now, the second step to easily and effortlessly generate passive income, like myself and hundreds of people that I've been able to help over the last 5 years, number 2 is we want to post advertisements online, okay? Because when we go to promote a product, we want to post ads that are going to get people interested in that product. If you've ever been on Facebook, you've probably seen Facebook ads that have been running and targeting possibly you. Maybe you've been on YouTube and you've seen an ad before that YouTube video. Well, as annoying as that may be for some people, fact of the matter is, people that run ads are making thousands and thousands of dollars a month. They work, and when you actually promote something that is helping people, you can feel good when someone actually joins and buys the product, okay? Now, where can you post these advertisements and does it cost a lot of money? Well, the beautiful thing is you can go to even a Facebook profile, which this is my personal Facebook profile, and I'm posting ads, okay, posts that are designed to get people interested, okay, and commenting info, okay? Because when they comment info, you can send them your website, okay? So if I go back to step number 3, you're gonna send people who respond to your ads your website. Now, you may think, I don't have a website. You may think, I don't know how to create and code and do graphic designs and create sales pages. Well, what I'm going to share with you is that with certain affiliate programs and opportunities, you can actually get all the ads, all the affiliate sales pages done for you, okay? So you can actually join something that has high ticket commissions, that has the advertisements already created, that have the website done for you, that you can just go ahead and start posting those ads, sending those people your website, and sitting back as you generate passive income. Okay, so this is absolutely incredible. Instagram, I've built up, a following here, and I have the website that I send people that sells the product for me. And then, over the years, I have posted ads on my profile. I'll post ads on my Instagram story that are designed to get people to this website. And again, the website is going to do all the work, all the telling, all the selling for me. So if you're watching this video and maybe you've been someone that's been researching passive income opportunities, maybe you don't want to do a lot of work, you just want to relax and feel that bliss as you check your your bank account and see more money depositing and you don't even know where it's coming from. If you're interested, it's gonna be a link directly below this video. When you click that link, you're gonna get taken to my personal website. Okay, now on my website, you're gonna be able to fill out this free application to see if you qualify for this opportunity. And if you do qualify, you're gonna be able to find out much more information on what products these are, how you can easily access all the ads to start posting on your social media accounts. You're gonna get access to a website where you can send people that will do a great job at converting those visitors into buyers, so you can start to make, this type of income. Okay, I mean, we have people, this guy right here, or a woman rather, reached out. Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week. Totally on autopilot, right? This person here, I've already gotten my first 2 sales this week. Okay, so I'm getting messages like this every single day. It's absolutely powerful. If you're interested, go down below, check out this, what I believe to be the best passive income opportunity in 2020. It can't hurt to take a look, and I really think you're gonna be blown away at how simple this actually is. Go down below and I will see you over on that other page.